always got it planned out. Ain't nobody hand me shit, but always got their hands out. Save a couple bands up and bought the rubber bands out. Hit me with the supercharged, did it just to stand out. Damn, I was just trapping at my man's house, sleeping on my man's couch, sold him till we ran out. Now just listen as I twist my weed. I ain't never met a bitch I need. Got the pink slip, this whip ain't rented. All black with the windows tinted. In the way the bucket seats recline, they can fit at least 4 bitches. In my pocket got a meat roll in it.
Smoke with the charge. It's Rover with the Charger. Today, we installing some new pedals. They came in the mail today. I think they should be real simple to install. I got them off Amazon. It was like, I think they was like $26 or something like that. Not including the tax, but there you got it. Gas pedal and the brake pedal. And as far as I'm concerned, this is just a cover. So I could basically just remove the rubber pedal that I got on here. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. If I'm not mistaken. So look. I think it just... pretty easy. Real easy to do. Look, just remove the cover. Take the other cover. Put it on the same way you took it off. You might have to fight with it a little bit, but I might have to get under it a little more and push my seat back. There you go. So I got the gas pedal on. Make sure it's tight. And then, that's the brake pedal, my bad. Got the brake pedal on. I don't even know if my gas pedal got a cover on it. Okay, so it might be a little easier for me. So there you go. New pedals, brake pedal cover, gas pedal cover. Real easy to install. All I did was rip one cover off. Just took this off. This one didn't come with a cover on it for some reason, so all I did was install it. I just put it on the top. And there go my new pedals for my charger, man. So y'all subscribe to the channel. Like the video, drop a comment, let me know what y'all think. New brake pedal covers off Amazon. It's Rover with the Charger, you hear?